Hello everyone, welcome back with this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday September the 7th 2020. Yes, we have here a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this will be number 1483. So let's get started. Do we have a single box here? This is the question. I see here single box. Single box is always A1. We have here a dual box, the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. We see in this area one of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. Then need to blow my nose. It's chilly here. Very chilly. Alright. In this area, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. 1 and the 5. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 4 boxes. Cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those 4 boxes. And cannot be a 4. I need a 4 in one of those 4 boxes. So this box should be reserved for the number 5. Here. 5. These 2 and a 3. Let me mark them. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. And this box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so I cannot place the 3 here. So the 3 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. I need to put a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. That means I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 must be definitely here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2. And this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them for you, 1 and a 5. I cannot place a 1 here, because in a dual box I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this should be a 5. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5, this should be a 1. Let me mark these 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now I have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 1, that means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means this box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes together with the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 in this box. So the 3 goes together as a pair with the 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 goes in these 3 boxes. What I see here, 2, so no 2. There we have a pair, the 2 and the 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. It should be the 1. Here we have the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. The 2 and the 3 are left. That means I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. This box cannot be a 3 anymore, so the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3, this should be a 2, and this should be a 3. The 2 and the 1 are left. If I place a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of these two boxes then. That box I cannot place a 1, and I need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 1, this should be a 2, and this should be a 1. With a 2 here, that means these two boxes cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area, a 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a 1 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes in this box. 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left there, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This should be a 5. 2 boxes left. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. Finish in 13 minutes. I like this one. I'm very pleased. In 13 minutes I've solved this. If I can solve it, you can solve it. Alright. Great Sudoku. Thumbs up if you like this. Thumbs down if you dislike it. Thank you for watching. Yes. You can download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.